Hey everyone, it's Miss, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency. I'm talking about buying, selling, and most importantly, storing your crypto safely on Binance. Now, I know getting started with crypto can feel intimidating, especially with all the technical jargon and potential security risks. But trust me, it doesn't have to be complicated. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of how to navigate Binance like a pro, and keep your digital assets secure. Before we jump in, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos about building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Let's set up your Binance account, your passport to crypto trading. Head to Binance's website or download the app. Click register and fill in your details. Verify your email. Complete identity verification with your ID. And you're all set, ready to trade. With your Binance account all set up and verified, it's time for the exciting part, buying your first cryptocurrency. Binance offers a variety of ways to deposit funds, including bank transfers, debit card purchases, and even crypto deposits if you already have some digital assets. Once your funds have successfully landed in your Binance account, you're ready to dive into the world of crypto trading. Binance offers a massive selection of cryptocurrencies, from the big players like Bitcoin and Ethereum, to smaller altcoins, with huge potential. To buy your chosen cryptocurrency, simply use the search bar at the top of the screen to find the coin you're looking for. Click on the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and you'll be taken to its trading page. Here you'll see real-time price charts, trading volume, and other useful information to help you make informed trading decisions. Once you've decided on your order type and entered the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy, double-check all the details and click the buy button. Congratulations, you're now officially a cryptocurrency owner. Alright, so you've bought some cryptocurrency, watched it hopefully go up in value, and now you're ready to cash in on some of those sweet gains. Selling your cryptocurrency on Binance is just as straightforward as buying. First, make sure you're logged into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallets or Balances section. Locate the cryptocurrency you want to sell and click on the Sell or Trade button next to it. You'll be taken to the trading page for that specific cryptocurrency. Here, you can choose how much of your cryptocurrency you want to sell. Once you've entered the amount you want to sell, you can choose your order type, either a market order or a limit order. Once you're happy with your order details, double-check everything carefully and click that Sell button. Binance will then execute your sell order, and the proceeds from the sale will be added to your Binance account balance. Now we're getting to a critically important part, storing your cryptocurrency safely. Once you've bought your cryptocurrency, it's generally not recommended to leave it sitting on the exchange for extended periods. Binance offers a built-in wallet where you can store your crypto. It's convenient for trading, but for long-term storage, consider a private wallet. Private wallets come in two main flavors: software wallets and hardware wallets. Software wallets are like apps you install on your computer or smartphone. They offer a good balance of security and convenience. Popular options include Trust Wallet, Exodus, and MetaMask. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, are like physical devices, often resembling a USB drive. They store your crypto offline, making them incredibly secure against hacking attempts. Ledger and Trezor are the leading brands in this space. To transfer your crypto to a private wallet, you'll need to find the deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency on your wallet. Then, head back to your Binance account, go to the withdrawal section, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, paste the deposit address from your private wallet, double-check everything to make sure it's correct, and hit that withdraw button. Let's talk about security in the crypto world. Enable Binance's robust security features immediately. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA. 2FA adds a second layer of security. Use apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. Enable anti-phishing codes. Protect against phishing scams. Store recovery phrases securely. Congratulations, you've made it. You're now well on your way to becoming a crypto pro. But remember, the learning never stops in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Make it a habit to regularly monitor your Binance account for any suspicious activity. Check your transaction history, look for any unfamiliar devices logged in, and be vigilant for any signs of unauthorized access. Staying informed about market trends and security best practices is crucial. Subscribe to reputable crypto news sources, follow industry experts on social media, and be wary of sensationalized headlines or get-rich-quick schemes. Remember, knowledge is power in the crypto space. That's it for today's video. We've covered a lot of ground, from setting up your Binance account to buying, selling, and storing your cryptocurrency safely. Remember, the key takeaways here are to prioritize security, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can confidently navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency while minimizing risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos on personal finance, investing, and building wealth. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.